Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at the present perfect and the past perfect. Remember, we use the present perfect to talk about something that happened some time before the present, before now, before the moment of speaking, the time of speaking. For example, I'm not hungry, I've just had lunch. So I'm not hungry now at this moment, I've had lunch. I've had lunch. Sometime before speaking, we don't know exactly when, but sometime before now. I'm not hungry, I've just had lunch. That's the present perfect. We use the past perfect to talk about something that happened before a time in the past. For example, I wasn't hungry sometime in the past, maybe yesterday or last week. I wasn't hungry. Why? Because I'd just had something to eat. I'd just had something to eat. I'd just had something to eat. Another example in the present perfect. Who's that woman? I've seen her before. I've seen her before, but I can't remember where. Past perfect. I wasn't sure who she was. I'd seen her somewhere before. I had seen her. I'd seen her somewhere before, but I couldn't remember where. So there we are. Present perfect and past perfect in English. They are easy peasy with Uncle Geoff. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time for some more grammar. Bye-bye for now.